Hello everyone! Today, we're making a delicious and comforting rice pudding that's incredibly easy on your budget, simple to prepare, and perfect for using everyday pantry items that you likely already have at home. This wonderful recipe uses common pantry staples like rice, milk, and sugar, and it costs less than $5 per serving, making it an ideal choice for seniors on a fixed income who want affordable yet satisfying meals. Let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 full cup of uncooked white rice, 4 generous cups of milk, and half a cup of granulated sugar to create this creamy delight. We'll also use just a small pinch of salt to balance the flavors and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to enhance the overall taste. The total cost for these basic ingredients comes to around $3, keeping it very budget-friendly. First, gently rinse your 1 cup of rice under cool, running water in a fine mesh sieve until the water runs completely clear. This important step helps remove excess starch and prevents the pudding from becoming too sticky or gummy. Next, combine the freshly rinsed rice and 4 cups of milk in a medium-sized saucepan, then place it over medium heat to start the cooking process. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, watching for small bubbles to form, then immediately reduce the heat to low and allow it to cook uncovered for about 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to stir the mixture occasionally with a spoon to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom of the pan and to ensure even cooking throughout. During this time, the rice grains should become perfectly tender, absorbing most of the milk and creating a beautifully creamy consistency that's smooth and inviting. Once the rice is nice and tender, stir in the half cup of sugar, the pinch of salt, and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to infuse all those wonderful flavors. Continue to cook the pudding for another 5 minutes on low heat, stirring constantly so the sugar fully dissolves and the entire mixture becomes wonderfully fragrant and cohesive. Finally, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the rice pudding cool slightly on the counter before serving. You'll notice it thickens even more as it sits and cools down. Now, for some easy and delicious mix-ins to add variety and excitement to your rice pudding. A simple sprinkle of ground cinnamon on top is a classic, comforting choice that adds warmth and aroma. You can also stir in a generous handful of raisins, which provide a lovely touch of natural sweetness and chewy texture that complements the creaminess perfectly. Or, for a refreshing fruity twist, try adding some canned peaches or a fruit cocktail. These are inexpensive pantry options that bring vibrant color and flavor to your pudding. Serve your homemade rice pudding either warm for immediate comfort or chilled from the fridge, depending on your personal preference. It's a delightful, versatile treat suitable for any time of day, breakfast, snack, or dessert. I truly hope you enjoy making and savoring this simple, affordable, and wonderfully comforting rice pudding with your loved ones or just for yourself. It's a perfect, no-fuss way to treat yourself without breaking the bank at all. Happy cooking and take care.